third cure of a lean purse. A man's wealth is not in the amount of money in his bank account. It is in his ability to build multiple streams of income that continually pours in money into his account on a monthly basis. This was the response of Akkad when he came to teach the people the seventh cure of a lean purse in day 3. So he told them that the third law of a lean purse, if you want to continually have consistently money in your account, is for you to multiply your money. So he started with the rule number 1, that 10% of all you have, you must keep them. He said then the second rule is that you must budget. You must understand the implication of where your money is going and how you're using your money on a consistent basis. You must pay attention to it, because when he was explaining that, a man came up and said, I don't like budgeting. He said, you are the one that is in charge of your money. You must budget your money and put it in a way whereby you focus on your needs for now. As you continually to grow in your wealth, you will start having opportunities and more money that will be coming in. But for now, you must budget your money. Then on the third one, he said you must multiply your money. All the money you've been saving, the 10% you've been saving, remember, it can take you months, it can take you years to build a reasonable amount of capital. Now the question is, what am I going to do with this money? That's the question people have. I have $10,000 with me. I have $1,000. I have $100,000. I have $1 million with me. What am I going to do with this money? That's the question people have, because now they are saving, they are actually putting this capital aside, they are controlling their expenses, they are looking for more opportunities, money is coming in, and now this money is just there, and they are saying this money cannot be here and inflation will be eating it up. Now this is what you will do. This is what you're going to do. You're going to focus on multiplying that money. Now,